Please raise your right hand and follow after me. Having received our certificate as a token of our accomplishment and as incentive of our greater effort in our future endeavors. We, the graduates of Abre Elementary School for the school year 2023-2024, join our voices in an expression of gratitude to God, parents and teachers for all we have received from them. We promise to be ever loyal and true, to be courageous and consistent in our thoughts and actions, and to be always aware of our duties and responsibilities. To the task of promoting what is good, honest and just.
May Colonel Kiara Camel Z. Kayako with high honors for her farewell address.
Yan. Yan na.
Our untiring and motherly District Supervisor, Ma'am Edna Reno Suarez, our respected guest of honor and speaker, our handsome and hardworking Barangay Captain, Mr. Davis G. Cabidog, our supportive and kind-hearted school head, Sir Hector B. Ugat, to our dear school heads of the different schools of the Gaming North District, our loving, hardworking, and intelligent teachers, supportive parents, and to my fellow graduates, to all of you, a pleasant and wonderful afternoon. 6 years ago, I cannot imagine myself standing before you, but today is the day to be inspired because we were able to survive our elementary education. But before I proceed, I would like to thank God for all the blessings. Thank you, Lord, for helping us in finding a way forward despite many life's twists and turns. We are able to make it because of you, Lord. To my fellow graduates, let us not forget about this day, reminiscing our years of legacy together. We once again prove that we are capable of turning our dreams into reality. We reached this day because we were brave enough to take the steps, even the harder ones, especially during the time of pandemic. Let us also be thankful to each other as we were able to have fun while learning. We built friendship inside the four corners of our classroom that we will surely treasure even if we step outside of the classroom. Obstacles are always in our ways. That makes us desperate. Let us always remember that we can learn how to deal with it as long as we believe in ourselves. The school year will end, but definitely not our friendship. The love and support we have given to each other in these years at Abre Elementary School had a big impact and has truly contributed to our success. To our dear teachers, the loving heroes of all time, let us all give them a round of applause. We are forever grateful for your dedication to us. We are beyond blessed for having teachers who did not just prepare for us academically, but prepared our life as to give us lessons beyond the book. May you continue to produce brilliant minds, and we hope that these minds will create a brighter future. You inspired us to strive harder and made us believe that we can succeed. With that, we want to share our success with you. Indeed, our appreciation for you is beyond words. To my family, especially to my Mama Bless and to my Papa Raul and to my Ate Angel and my Lolo and Lola who are one of the reasons why I want to be successful. But I would not be here today without you. Thank you very much. I thank God for blessing me with a family who are the source of my inspiration and strength when life gives me a reason to give up. I have a family who reminds me not to. I can't wait to celebrate more of my achievements with you. And together, we will take it one step at a time. So God and to the people who are instrumental for my success, these are all for you.
Thank you, Kiara. Music is the expression of the soul. It moves emotions and feels with the movement of the time. Let us be motivated once more through the graduation song of our graduates.
Anong bukad?